My friends, there is a buzz in the air at Costco because of this, the sales. These September sales just dropped yesterday. I checked them out online, and spoiler alert, there's some really good deals. So I hightailed it down to the warehouse today to do a video, like we always do. We're gonna walk around the warehouse, show you what's on sale, what to buy, what to avoid, and how to read the ingredients so you put the best quality stuff in your body. I do, though, also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive is a 7-year supporter of my channel, but the reason why I really love them is pretty much anything you would find at any grocery store is on Thrive, but it's cheaper. You save about $32 per order and the box comes to your door. Thrive has personal care products and food products. I put all my favorite in a list in the description box. And when you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order, a free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. So check them out using my link. Less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Costco. Talk about perfect timing for this. Sprouted pumpkin seeds for a redonkulous price of $6.39 for organic sprouted pumpkin seeds. The key word here is sprouted, and we're going into cold and flu season, and foods like this are your BFF. Why? Look at the nutritional profile here. Zinc, you get 18% of your daily value per serving. Magnesium, 39%. Call me Tony Stark. Iron Man, 22% in a quarter cup serving. Why is that important? Well, those are incredible minerals and vitamins, but zinc is your immune system's best friend during cold and flu season. It's very good for boosting immunity. But sprouted is the key word. I always talk about sprouted grains and seeds. When they are sprouted, you unlock more nutrition for your body to derive, and they're easier to digest. Go to any other grocery store. Any organic pumpkin seeds that are sprouted are honestly twice the price. For that sale, I would load up, have a quarter cup of these all day, every day, especially during cold and flu season. Holy cow, that is super exciting. Ladies and gents, here it is. The best deal ever on grass-fed collagen, $9 holler. Now in the past, it's usually $7 off. It's $9 off, best in class, grass-fed collagen peptides. Unflavored is what you want. You don't want flavored, I'll tell you why in a second. But there's always this hullabaloo on Instagram with videos going up. Bobby, have you seen Vital Protein's got sued because there's heavy metals in their collagen? What do you think about that? My friends, that is the definition of fake news. This is third-party lab tested. I talked to the head scientist of Vital Proteins at Expo West in March. All of those lawsuits never even materialized. It's 100% grass-fed. Fun fact, almost all collagen comes from grass-fed cows from New Zealand, and this is no different than anyone else. You're always going to find some levels of organic heavy metals in products like this because the cows eat grass. What's in the soil and the grass? Minimal amounts of heavy metals. This is totally safe, totally good to go, and it's really good for your wallet because at that price, it's more than 50% cheaper than any other grocery store. You don't want the cocoa one or the chocolate one, and it really bugs me. They add natural flavors to that. Very, very silly. Get this one here. I put a scoop of that in my organic loose leaf green tea every day. Why? Because I'm 44. I've been doing this for years. As you get older, you lose the natural collagen in your body. That is a fantastic supplement for it. It's great for your joints, your hair, your skin, your nails. This is the bee's knees. At that price, you're not going to beat it. The non-sale price, Thrive Market, is very, very close, but at $9 off, it's Bobby approved. I recommend this every single day. Load up, my friends. This section here is loaded to the gills. We have the collagen up front, we had those sprouted pumpkin seeds, and then we have this. An oldie but a goodie. Dark chocolate keto nuggets organic on sale. A pound bag for $7.59. This is such a great sweet treat because look at the amount of added sugar here. If I can straighten this bag up, there we go. We're talking only 1 gram of added sugar for an ounce. Now, it's not perfect, but it's still Bobby approved because there's coconut, there's non-GMO erythritol, there's seeds and pumpkins, but there's also natural flavor. Why is it Bobby approved? Because this is one of the rare cases that even though it's not perfect, this is still a much better for you option than something that has a ton of sugar and processed oils and garbage ingredients. So not perfect, but Bobby approved. And I love the fact that it's only 1 gram of added sugar. These are so rich and decadent. You have a little handful of these, you have nutrient-dense seeds, you have no cruddy oils and stuff like that. My friends, scoop it. That's a great deal. And if you have this at your Costco, it's not on sale, but I talked about it previously. It looks like it's being discontinued. $6.97 with a star. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I know my lingo for Costco, that means it's being discontinued. It used to be $9 or $10. These are the Bobby approved chocolate caramels that are keto, 100% Bobby approved, non-GMO, and they're going away. So if you still have these at your warehouse, scoop them. But that and the keto clusters, high five. Oh, this is so wrong. The Fruit Loops with the toucan are on sale here. The price is really low, and I know so many people will buy it, and probably a lot of parents think, yeah, it's not the best, but my kids like it. And listen to this. Forget about the fact that the corn is GMO. Forget about the fact that the sugar is in here to the tune of 3 teaspoons per serving. It goes on to get even worse, in my opinion. The oil is hydrogenated soybean or cottonseed oil, 2 of the most processed inflammatory oils when it's hydrogenated. There's artificial colors, specifically Ren 40 is banned in other countries. And this preservative is not even used that much any day. It's BHT. This one's banned in many other countries, but we still allow it here. Woohoo, high five to the USA. I bring that up because if you saw my stories on Flave City Instagram or Facebook, which I highly encourage you to watch, we share what we're cooking every day, what we're doing with the family. Last night for dinner, I had the Thrive Market Keto Coconut Cereal, and I poured Kiki Milk in it. That's my go-to dessert when I'm hankering something on the couch, working on the Bobby approved app. Also, Thrive Market, because it's so sunny outside, has one of the best mineral-based sunscreens. They have the Kiki Milk I was talking about, which is the cleanest plant-based milk for kids and adults. And all my favorite Thrive Market items I'll put down below, including the collagen. When this is not on sale here, the Thrive Market grass-fed collagen is pretty much the same deal, if not better. My link down below, 30% off your first order, a free gift, and 30 days risk-free. Try it out. Thrive is the best. Oh my goodness, look, Leilani's helping customers test out the sofa here. Wow, she should get a commission.
Sofa. Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
I mean, I'm part of the product right now.
Back to collagen for a second. For my friends who can't do the powdered version, these are on sale. These are the collagen tablets, and while they're not as good as the grass-fed powdered collagen, it's a very solid option for pills. $390 for 16. Keep in mind, a serving of these is 6 pills, and they're pretty big pills. The only thing is, if my camera will focus, there we go, 6 pills. The only thing is, it's not grass-fed collagen peptides. According to their website, it is non-GMO, so quality-wise, not going to be as good as the Vital Proteins, which is 100% grass-fed. 6 pills is a lot, but you know what I would do, actually? It's a little bit of work. I would buy that collagen and then buy capsules that are empty on Amazon and fill them myself. I would channel my inner Walter White and create my own capsules, but in case you don't want to do that, this is still a good secondary option, and for that price, I would scoop it. It's a little tough to get in soup season when it's 100 degrees outside on September 1st, but it's organic creamy tomato basil soup. 2 massive jugs for $8. I love tomato soup. I have a great recipe, which I'll share on a reel or on a live stream soon. But let's see the ingredients here, because organic intrigues me. It intrigues me because the first ingredient is milk, then tomatoes. Milk, if it's not organic, is going to be GMO. Tomatoes are on the dirty dozen, so organic is very nice. And then vegetables look good, but we take a little turn for the worse. So it's tomato soup, but can you see? Natural tomato flavor, another dose of natural flavor. There is sugar, but to be honest, I could live with 3 grams per cup. Not ideal, but I could live with it for a prepared food. But a double dose of natural flavors, then canola oil. Even though the canola oil is organic, it's still highly processed inflammatory. Is it Bobby approved? No, but it will fall under the category of better for you option, especially for soups. And the fact that it's refrigerated as opposed to heavily pasteurized or preservative laden with the middle aisles over there, not Bobby approved, but a better for you option. I was just hoping for slightly cleaner. Here's another better for you option. Not Bobby approved, but way better than the others. And the price is unbeatable. So if you're looking for good value, chicken sausages at $1.25 a pound is pretty much cheaper than buying the chicken yourself and making it. So this is Amy Lou. Sometimes Amy Lou has organic, and those are always Bobby approved. The only reason why this andouille sausage is not Bobby approved is because the chicken is not organic. It's not non-GMO, meaning the chickens have a GMO feed of corn and soy. That's not Bobby approved. But for a sausage, it doesn't have any cruddy oils, mystery meat, processed ingredients, added sugar. So that's my only issue with it. But like I said, to get this at $11.59 or $1.25 a pound is a great deal and a better for you option. Not Bobby approved, but definitely a better for you option. All right, let's see what all the fuss is about with this couch here. Ooh, it's plush.
Yeah.
Look at Leilani. Got 2 drinks in the coaster here.
Set up.
Iced coffee.
For success.
And Laird Superfood.
Got a cookie.
Desi's Bulgarian walnut cookies. This is what we do. We come here, I make my YouTube video. She works on reels, then we shoot reels afterwards. We got a system like a well-oiled machine, my friends. So that is it. Check out the sales. There's some really good ones. Also check out Thrive Market using my promo link down below. It's 30% off your first order, a free gift, and 30 days risk-free. Put all my favorites in the description box. But for Leilani, myself, we leave you like we always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Later.
Bye.